Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Easy Mandarin, and today we are going to be learning some Mandarin numbers. Just before we start today's video, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when we make a new upload. First we are going to learn the numbers 1 to 10 in Mandarin. I'm going to say the number in Mandarin and then you can repeat after me. Pause the video if you need to and practice more. 1. Again. 1. 2. Again. 2. 3. Again. 3. 4. Again. 4. 5. Again. 5. 6. Again. 6. 7. Again. 7. 8. Again. 8. 9. Again. 9. 10. Again. 10. Okay, so now we are going to learn the numbers 11 to 19 in Mandarin. There is a simple way to remember these numbers. First, start with the number 10, which is 10, then add the second digit. In this example, the second digit would be 5. Together, they make 15. Now, let's go through all the Mandarin numbers slowly. Pause the video if you need to and practice more. 11. Again. 11. 12. Again. 12. 13. Again. 13. 14. Again. 14. 15. Again. 15. 16. Again. 16. 17. Again. 17. 18. Again. 18. 19. Again. 19. Okay, so now we are going to learn the Mandarin numbers 20 to 90. There is also a helpful tip to help you remember these numbers. Start with the first digit. In this example, it would be san. Then add the number 10, which is shi. So, in this example, it would be san shi 30. Now, let's go through all the Mandarin numbers. Pause the video if you need to and practice more. 20. Again. 20. 30. Again. 30. 40. Again. 40. 50. Again. 50. 60. Again. 60. 70. Again. 70. 80. Again. 80. 90. Again. 90. Okay, so now we are going to be learning the Mandarin numbers between 20 to 90. There is also a helpful tip to help you remember these numbers. Start with the first lot of 10. In this example, it would be 20. Sure. Then move on to the second digit. In this example, it would be 3. San. Together, they make sure san 23. Now, you have a go with these 4 questions. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, so now we are going to learn the numbers 100 to 900. There is also a helpful way to help you remember these numbers. Start with the first digit. For 600, the first digit would be 6, Lior. Then add the character for 100, which is by. Again, by. In this example, it would be Lior by 600. Now, pause the video and have a go at these questions. 400. 400. 700. by 200. by 500. by. How old are you? Now you have learned the Mandarin numbers, you will be able to ask and answer one of the questions which we learned in the last video, which is 你多大? How old are you? Now you can answer this question. For example, 我25岁. I am 25 years old. Now, you have a go saying how old you are in Mandarin. Here is a quiz to test your knowledge on what this video has been about. The answers will be on the next slide. Pause the video if you need to. Here are the answers. Just before we end today's video, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when we make a new upload. Thank you for watching Easy Mandarin. 谢谢，再见。